Tay, fuck these niggas up.
Trapaholics. Real trap shit.
Woman just a massacre, chill up at the big state, chick state, like a big statement, another big state, okay, hey. I'm getting stick state, working, hey, to watch the movie, station, chase on massacre, got my door like massacre, I got a chest on my head, got another spirit over my chase on like a stain saw, working, yeah, got my duck like a stain saw, working, yeah, got my number, will be just a massacre, I was massacre, got me a little wolf face, you can see my face, got my number, just a leather face, come in, there's a wolf face, you can't even see my face, got my with the J's, got my number, spit on my chainsaw, saw, like a rain saw, like a stain saw, what's the movie saw, that my name a jigsaw, a stick saw, like a pig saw, like a rick saw, capping up, a thick saw, I got a pig saw, whoa, get a watch the movie pixels on the sticks, so what your mixels, capping with no jigsaws, whoa, ain't the stick saws and what the ixels, capping up, the thick saws and what the jigsaws, whoa, say, what you ain't, like capping steak and capping up. Wolfie chainsaw, I got my chainsaw, chase in my hand, got that stay in my hand. Wolfie chainsaw, massacre, that my new mixtape. Wolfie chainsaw, massacre, to that my new mixtape. Chick state, like a big state, but in the big state, like the big state, and then the big state. Wolfie ace of duct tape, I got me some super cool, gorilla tape, Calvin like a super tape, Calvin like the super glue, rubber glue, Calvin know the slew. I've been watching movie, I'm watching Clue, play game Clue, Calvin know the food and know the you. We'll get a what is your blues clues? I go and find me a clue. Never know this food, I never have a clue. Never know this blue. We'll get a never came boo. Never knows boo. We'll get a Uncle Drew the neighbor George Drew for bit machine. We'll get a we'll be chasing massacre to my new mixtape. We'll be chasing massacre to my new mixtape. We'll get a another wolf face. We can't even see my face.
Tay, fuck these niggas up.
Trapaholics. Real trap shit.